All right, let's turn it around.
Man tosses $200K onto highway. Family says he emptied shared bank accounts for the stunt, and they're now penniless.
Okay, that's not turning it around.
What are you talking about, turning it around? What?
I want to go with another article, but here we are.
So he robbed his family from their shared bank account and threw it on the highway instead?
Uh-huh. And then everyone picked it up on the highway, and now they're broke.
That must have been one hell of an argument.
Stupid stunt.
He's like, screw it. No one's getting the $200K. The report is of a man, 38 years old, Colin Davis McCarthy in Oregon, threw $200,000 from his vehicle onto Interstate 5 at around 7:20 p.m. on Tuesday. Someone reported the incident to the Oregon State Police, with authorities later finding the vehicle close by and getting in touch with McCarthy. Now, the reason you might report that could cause some serious problems on the Interstate 5 with a bunch of money floating around, people trying to stop and get it. McCarthy told police he was doing well and wanted to bless others with gifts of money. However, his family later told investigators he allegedly drained their shared bank accounts. The $200K was reportedly mostly gathered by 8 p.m. the same day motorists pulled over on the highway to collect it, which was a danger to other drivers and poorly affected traffic flow. Well, yeah, obviously, hopefully nobody's hurt. Is this one of those ones inspired by some sort of internet stunt?
A good deed?
Yeah. I can do that too.
But just
like, I just wonder if the camera was rolling. I wonder if this is posted somewhere and if it was. Anyway, does he end up getting charged? Disorderly conduct, potentially reckless endangering, but most likely disorderly conduct. The man's family has now asked the cash to be given to the authorities. They're like, please give the cash back. People are like, yeah, okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. Man, with the best intentions.
Well, I don't know. I don't know about that. The best intention for someone else other than the people whose money was shared in there.
Yeah. Didn't think it through.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.